How to use Tide to get rid of moles. Moles burrow into your garden and leave mounds of dirt all over your yard from their relentless tunneling. While these pests might make your lawn unsightly, you may not want to kill them. A humane way to get rid of moles is to add irritants to their environment and interfere with their food supply. Tide laundry detergent combined with castor oil coats onto grubs and worms that moles eat, ruining the taste of their dinner. The detergent also irritates eyes and is unpleasant to breathe. Tide will not hurt the creatures, but it can drive them away. Things you'll need: castor oil, bucket, plastic spray bottle. Mix 3 cups of Tide detergent, liquid or powder, with 1 cup of castor oil in a bucket and fill with water. Fill a spray bottle with your anti-mole solution and shake until frothy. Spray the solution liberally around and into mole holes, along the ground and anywhere you suspect the creatures may be burrowing. Water the lawn thoroughly until the ground is soaked. This helps the Tide oil mixture work into the soil. The oil coats underground insects and larvae that moles eat, resulting in a foul taste from the detergent. The odor of the laundry detergent in a mole hole acts as an irritant that will drive the pests away.